beauties, what's up, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today for a little update on Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe. I have a spoiler to get out there, but first I have some information that Joe wants everybody to share with whoever you talk to that has Boxycharm. So before I get into that, I just want to remind everybody today's the last day to qualify for that giveaway of the James Charles palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Next month we're having our 5,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway, but today is our last day for January, so don't miss out on that. First, let's get into what Joe wants everyone to do. And I have the actual clip for you to watch, and then we'll discuss it. So this is Joe.
Charmers, I'm gonna ask you to remind your friends, your family, everyone to take the beauty quiz. It's gonna be really important, especially for the March box. It is gonna be only up to you guys to fill it up. I won't be able to do it for you. We need to get your quiz. March will be a very important month for us to be able to use it. So please take the quiz.
So we all need to go back and redo our beauty quizzes before March, because something in March, either in our Boxycharm or BoxyLuxe box, he didn't say a specific box, that we're gonna have something catered to our skin probably, or our color tone. So I know when we did this previously, I noticed it was in a different spot, so I wanted to go over this with you ladies to make sure you knew where it was on the Boxycharm site. So when you sign into your account, you'll go to that very first page. And I know I have to go on my computer to do it. I don't know if they have all the tabs on a phone, but on the computer it has the tabs at the top. And there's a tab, the very first tab says the box. And if you do the arrow and get the drop down screen, you'll see January 2019 box, past boxes, BoxyLuxe, beauty quiz, and how it works. You get to make one of those choices. Click on beauty quiz. I think in the past it may have been around the giveaway area, but now it's changed. So click on beauty quiz. And once you click on beauty quiz, you'll get to this screen. And on this screen, it'll show, you know you're in the right place if it has what is your birthday and your gender. Mine was already there because I filled out the box already. So if you've already filled out yours, it should be there. So just hit next. And if you go to the next screen, it will ask you what color are your eyes and so forth. And you just go through each one of these, and since I know some of the things have changed for me after I went through the quiz, I thought nothing would have changed, but one thing that changed was I'm subscribed to more beauty boxes, and they ask you that in there. So just go through each thing, make sure it's correct. And sometimes I know with my hair, I change my color of my hair often, so things may change up. And just make sure it's how you want it to be filled out. And I was going to go through each page, but it was a lot of pages, so I'm just going to show you. This is the very last page. This is what the last page should look like. And on this last page, you just click done. And that way you've done this in March. They have all your information to use for that product. So that leads us into what could that product possibly be. Joe had a video up on his channel. Then it was put up on Boxycharm Latinx, their Spanish-speaking channel, and right at the end of it, it had this picture. He said it was a meeting they were having, and you can see on the table 2 palettes. Could these be the palettes needing our complexion color? So, what do you think these are? I can give you one hint that Joe gave everyone. Everyone was guessing her, and it is definitely not a Her palette. Could it be Tarte? Tarte has square pans in their products. It has to be something that would have a square pan. I was looking at it, I thought maybe Ofra, but Ofra has round palettes. Not palettes, it has round cups for their shades. So what do you think? What could this possibly be? Moving on, another thing that was released this week is the theme for the February Boxycharm box. And that theme is Afterglow. You remember the disco ball in the Boxycharm box? I guess the meaning to them for that was Afterglow. And so far, the only products that we have confirmed in the February Boxycharm box are the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and the second item being from Touch and Soul, No Problem Primer. So these are the only two confirmed products in our February box. Boxycharm even put up a video on Instagram showing Jackie Anna showing the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara this week. And here is a little clip from it. I'm sorry I didn't play the whole thing. I was worried I'd get a copyright strike on it. But it's a good little commercial, and Jackie is just so good on Instagram. Yeah, I love Jackie Anna. She's really one of the top Instagrammers. But moving back to the Boxycharm box, let's take a look at what we may have in March. Now, Joe did say that on Friday he would have a big announcement. That could be a confirmation of a product, so we'll have to wait and see tomorrow. Moving on to March. So far, we have these confirmed products for March. Confirmed for Boxy Luxe in March, we have the Morphe palette. 4 different variations. The 15B, the 15D, the 15N, and the 15H. You'll receive one of those 4. And the second product is by IT Cosmetics. It's the Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. So those are the 2 that are confirmed. Now, on unconfirmed spoilers so far, these are not yet confirmed. I'm almost positive the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream is coming. It was clearly seen. We know by the color. The next one is the Tula skincare product. We're not 100% sure about this one. It was just a label that was shown that looked like Tula. The third one is by Cosmetics, the Rose Quartz Facial Roller. Now this one was pretty clear on the sofa, as you can remember when the girl was getting the facial, so hopefully we'll see this. Then the next one was by Teamy Blends. It's the Green Tea Facial Scrub. I'm about 50% sure that was what was on the label. I think I made a mistake and put a picture up of the mask. The picture that was shown in the spoiler was clearly not the mask, it was the facial, but will still have to be confirmed to know what the product is exactly. And then this last one is by Pharmacy Beauty. It's a Clean Bee product, so we'll have to wait and be sure for this one also. Please remember, when I show something that's a spoiler, I will never say it's confirmed unless I'm pretty certain it's confirmed. Out of all these products right here, the only one that I would be confirming without him actually coming and confirming would be that Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. because it was pretty evident that that's what he was showing. But I will never come on and say I have a confirmed spoiler unless it actually comes out of someone's mouth from Boxycharm. I just don't like doing that, saying it's confirmed. Yeah, it's a confirmed spoiler, but it's not confirmed as a product coming in a particular box. I would say a confirmed product, even if they say this product will be coming soon. That way the product's confirmed, but we don't know what box. But I'm not going to say my spoilers are confirmed until they're actually confirmed. I hope that's okay with everybody. I'm sure that's how you like it. I see other people doing them and saying confirmed when they're not really confirmed yet. So this is all I have for you ladies today. Hopefully we'll get more tomorrow, and I'll put something else up tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to share my videos and subscribe. It really helps me out when you share these videos. And also, if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. Until I see you guys again. Bye.